What's up, guys? Parks Plumbing. Clive. What's up, guys? Clive! What's up, guys? It's Parks Plumbing. I hope you're enjoying the roasting English weather, as I am not, because I've been working constantly in lofts and all that. I'm going to do a day in the life. It's actually like a week in the life, really. So like a couple of clips from what I've been up to in the last week. Generally day to day, I fix boilers, service boilers, plumbing jobs, small breakdowns, things like that. Generally jobbing. Yeah, I'm just going to share with you guys what I've been up to in this last sort of week. Been to a Viessmann 100 that was overheating, had an F2 fault. And then we've got a dripping Vaillant. So dripping from the outside. And then lastly, a Viessmann PCB. I'll show you how to code one of them boards because it's quite tricky. Alright guys, excellent. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Alright, we've been called to this Viessmann 100. An F2 fault. Now, with hot water running, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. You can see here the temperature's rising way too fast. So we've got 70, 71, 72. So, we're here today to find out what's wrong with it. And that's it there, locked out. 96, 98. And that's the fault we've come to look at, F2, which is an overheat fault. So let's strip it down. I don't know if you can hear that. These hoses are solid, full of deposits from the heating system. So we need to get them cleaned out. What's probably happened is they've gone down. And at the back there, I'll show you better in a minute, into the plate heat exchanger, which we're going to be cleaning out. So this is a magnet from this filter. I'm just going to run it across this stuff here. Whoa. You got to ask yourself, why isn't it catching it in that filter? If it sticks onto the magnet here. So we've got the plate heat exchanger here, bottom side for the hot water. Generally we live in a soft water area, so you never see much scale in there, it's hard to see. But the heat inside, let me get a better angle on that. Oh, it might be really hard to see. It's absolutely full of deposits. If I give it a little bang on here. There you go. It's absolutely full. So what's happening is the water from the boiler can't pass through quick enough because of all the deposits in the way, and you're getting overheating. So we're going to go get my acid cleaning stuff. I'm going to give this a clean out.
A few moments later.
So I use one shot. It's just a really, really, really strong cleaner. You see it bubbling out of the actual plate. Hopefully we're going to dissolve all the deposits that's inside and have a nice clean plate. Alright, we're all back together. As you can see, the hot water temperature is very stable now. And absolute minimum fire too. The tap's on full. And yeah, success. Do my safety checks, which I'll do off camera. And that's the job complete. Oh. Upgraded the filter too. Shout out Chris from Furnox. Cool. Alright, we've been called to this Vaillant Eco Tec Plus. Dripping on the outside, which I'll show you in separate footage. Got really high pressure here, what's going on. So, I'm going to take the lid off, strip it down, see what's going on. Let's turn it down. I've isolated the cold as well, just to make sure that nothing's passing. So I've got the hose connected to the expansion vessel. And what we've got in there, 0. So I'm going to give it a pump and see if it's ruptured inside, and see if we can't just rescue it. So I've removed the shredder, I'm holding open the PRV. So hopefully we can get this emptied, change the shredder and try pump it up again. Alright. We're at 1 bar. No more drippy drippies. So I think we rescued that one. At 1 bar on my pressure gauge. Empty on the boiler. So don't forget to whip the old PRV out and give it a grease. Check there's no debris in the hole. Okay, that's back together. So what we're going to do now is we're going to service it as well while we're here. So I've got a new seal. Yeah, let's strip it down, let's have a look. Alright, so I use a 10mm Weir ratchet spanner on these. I know a lot of people use socket sets, but I just find them easy to carry in my bag. So I've got a 10, a 13 for Worcester, I've got an 8. So yeah, obviously sticking them on. Wrong way, idiot. And then we twist it off. Right, so I'm going to take it off for the first time. We're all going to have a look together, see what it looks like. I don't think it's ever been serviced this. It might have been serviced a couple of times in the last sort of 10 years it's been alive. So let's have a look. Okay, it's pretty grubby, isn't it? Little crack on the seal there though. Alright. I caught this G10 seal just in time. Electrode's looking a bit curly. Right. Let's get on with it. Right. I'm going to start by add nylon brush here. Start by just brushing it through and get all the surface crap off it. Still got a lot of the surface stuff off there then. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of jug of water in the bottom. And then what I can do, where are you? Is I have this Viessmann service tool, heat exchanger cleaning tool they call it. It's got a serrated end on. And what that is, it just fit just nicely in between the fins of the heat exchanger. Like that. What you can do then, is you can just run around the fins and clear any sort of blockages that's in the way. It's not allowing the condense to run through. So I'm just going to get on with all that and see if we can clean it all the way out. It's pretty caked in. It'll take me a little while to do this. So generally you'll find that it's at the bottom. It's all build up, you know, at the bottom of the heat exchanger. So that's the most important part. Obviously to clean out before it then goes down the tube, then into the little condense trap at the back. Alright, cool. So that's all them, the bottom bits at least, all scrubbed out. I'm going to wash it through again now. I've normally got my spray bottle, but it broke, so I just need to buy a new one of them, so this trusty jug will have to do for the time being. Right, can you see? Okay. So I've got this G10 seal just in time. Looks like I'm just about to pop there, a bit of crust on that side. So we'll replace that, clean up these electrodes best we can. Alright, so that's new seal in place. Electrodes cleaned up, got all the carbon off them at least. I'll point out I came a few weeks ago actually and replaced that hose there. See the black rubber. So we need to pull out this condense trap now. Ooh, it's quite full actually. Quite difficult, so I might have to just put you down while I take it out. 1 second. Got all that. Okay, nice and clean. So what I'm going to do is put some lubrication on that rubber there. That'll be sliding a bit better. Whee! So I got called to this Viessmann 100, an FF fault. So first thing we want to do there is try to reset it. Okay, so on the dial on the right, turn it all the way to the right to serve, all the way to 0, then into the middle. It should get you reset. If it doesn't reset, it goes back to FF. You're going to need a new PCB. Yeah, there we go. Back to FF. So let's get the old board out. We'll start by taking off the cover, getting in there, obviously doing your safe isolation. Video on that coming soon. Just disconnect all the boards. If you want to take a picture of where the old connections were, then do so if it's going to help. I work on these a lot, so I know where everything goes. disconnect all the cables, then what you'll find is two retaining screws underneath that will take the board totally out. So as you can see there, and don't forget the pressure gauge too. Right, so the first thing you want to be doing is getting up to the top there is the barcode. Get the first 7 digits from that barcode. It will start with a 7. Make a note of them. Get down to the instructions, which are obviously all in German. There's my numbers there, I already wrote them down. Come down to the book, cross-reference your serial number, your first 7 digits. You can find them down there. It ends in 427. Wallop. Follow that across. Make a nice shaky mark of that with my left hand. Nice one. Follow that across and you'll see that it needs to be parameter 11. There you go. Now go to your jumper and you want to put the jumper into 3 and 4. Then connect it back into the boiler. I'll do it at the boiler. It's up to you. Just demonstration purposes. So now what you want to do is get both the knobs and turn them simultaneously clockwise. You'll see serve appear in the bottom right hand corner, and within 2 seconds drop the heating one down to 0. Now what you'll get there is your flashing parameters. So it's already set to 11 because I already did it before. But you can see there, slight adjustments will get you up to 11 on the hot water dial. When you get the 11, just leave it there until it stops flashing, and then when it stops flashing it means it's set. And there you go. Happy days, board coded. Excellent stuff. Right, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one.